Adding subtitles automatically in Davinci Resolve is very easy. If you have a video clip or a project that you want to add subtitles to, the first step is to select the part of the video that you want to add subtitles to. Subtitles will only be added to the selected part. In my case, I want to subtitle the entire video, so I'll select the entire video. Perfect. Once we've selected the part we want to subtitle, we need to go to the Timeline tab and look for the option to create subtitles from audio. When we click on it, a small menu will appear. Currently, since this is the new function of Davinci Resolve, automatic subtitles are only available in English, but I'm sure they'll add more languages in the future. In Caption Preset, we can choose from different subtitle styles, including teletext and Netflix subtitles. We can also choose the maximum number of letters that can appear in a sentence. I'm going to leave it at 42. Once the options have been selected, you just need to click Create. Now, Davinci Resolve will start analyzing the video's audio. The video I want to subtitle is about 8 minutes long, and Davinci Resolve took about 30 to 40 seconds to subtitle the entire video. Great! Once it's done, all the subtitle clips will appear in our timeline, in the exclusive subtitle track. Let's see a short piece of the video to see if it did it correctly.
Many people believe that to record a video with a cinematic or professional look, it's necessary to have the most expensive camera on the market.
It looks perfect. In case you want to modify a word or phrase or change the appearance of the subtitles, we must select all the subtitle clips like this and go to the Inspector panel located in the upper right corner. In this menu, we can modify all the words or phrases of the subtitles. For example, we could remove the word necessary from a sentence and put it in the previous one to make it easier to understand. On the other hand, in the Track tab, we can change the appearance of the subtitles. We can choose the font, increase the font size, position, color, or add a shadow or background to make the subtitles more visible and easier to read. There's another very useful function related to this Davinci Resolve function. Now I'll show it to you. Here we have the same video without subtitles. This time, we will go to our timeline in the Media panel. We right-click, and here we'll find the option to transcribe audio. This function is super useful. When we click on it, Davinci Resolve will analyze the audio of our video just like before. I'm going to speed it up since we don't want to waste time watching a green bar move. Perfect. Once it finishes, we will see the entire transcription of our video's audio in text. From this menu, we can export a text file. This is great if we need the text file to upload it to a website or translate it into another language, for example. Also, another very useful function of this tool is to search for words. For example, imagine we have a 1 hour long interview and we want to search for the part where the interviewee talks about horror movies. We type horror movie into the search bar and click on search. Now, the tool tells us in which part of the interview the interviewee talks about horror movies. We can select the part that interests us, for example, the entire segment. Then, the tool will automatically select that part of our video on the timeline. I've shown you an example with an interview, but you can use it in many projects, such as weddings, videos, ceremonies, educational videos, or in a company conference, and save a lot of time. And that's it for today. I hope this tutorial's been helpful. See you in the next video.